Thank you very much. I think what Honorable Mutapo said should be understood in that way, that you cannot afford to remove a female judge. The Judicial Commission has actually a case before the Human Rights Commission that it has not met its constitutional obligation to meet gender balance when it comes to the bench. And for sure, wherever the Chief Justice is, he must be extremely worried that in what he's trying to do to recruit more females to the bench, we come to reduce them and make the Judicial Service Commission to fail in meeting its gender balance. So it's a valid point which you can't falter. And we cannot be the ones that actually contribute to removing women from the bench. We ought to help the bench to have as many women as possible. The second issue is that, which I accept I was not here, and I would have put it before Judge Weiner, that if we're confronted with two capable women, the other one being a white woman, the other one being a black woman, will we be fair to appoint a black woman given the historical background of this country? So, does this help us to transform society when we've got many other black qualified females with a qualified white female? Overlook these black qualified females and appoint a white female. You are actually reversing the gains of transformation. So we must not shy away from even looking at the racial issue when we consider this matter. So we are a country that comes from difficult past, and every decision we make should actually seek to reverse the imbalances created by the previous regime. So black African women are equally found here, and we're looking at a white woman against black women who suffered triple oppression. And if, as it were, I think that on the basis of those two arguments, we shouldn't even consider. Let's look at other names. Thank you.
Over to you, Honorable Shivam.
Thank you very much, Chair. So the Office of the Public Protector was established to primarily deal with abuse of state institutions, to deal with maladministration, undue benefits, undue delays, and things that relate to the public finance management processes and the municipal finance management processes, procurement processes. That is what substantially the Office of the Public Protector focuses on. And I think that with the attention that the office is receiving now, due to the Constitutional Court judgment and what happened under the incumbent public protector, there is growing interest in the Office of the Public Protector. So we'll need someone who will hit the ground running, someone who has got a bit of understanding of how the office operates and who has got practical experience in the public space. And obviously understands the law so that when they pass judgments, they are consistent with the law. I do not think that holistically Judge Weiner possesses those skills. I think that she's doing well in the current responsibility as a judge, but I don't think that she will hit the ground running. She will still have to familiarize herself with a variety of things in detail. It's one thing to understand the paper detail of what the PFMA says and the practical implementation of it and how it has been violated. I know that in the past there have been serious considerations of certain individuals, but in the context that we're operating in now, in the context where the AG says billions of rands are being wasted on wasteful expenditure, and a variety of things. We need someone who will be able to hit the ground running so that they can be able to help the public sphere to recover the monies that are being lost. I don't think that Judge Weiner is the suitable candidate, so she must not be considered, she must fall.